Well, we're going to be tracking a lot of sunshine here as we get into our Friday, so get out there and try to enjoy it, try to soak it up while we can, because things are going to be changing for the worse, it looks like, here as we get into tomorrow. Temperatures, though, again, around that freezing mark as we get into some of those mid to late morning hours. By this afternoon, again, tracking temperatures back into the 40s. As we get into those mid to upper 40s, I think we may scare 50 degrees down around Lake of the Ozarks later today. So, again, a good excuse to get outside and do something here outdoors later on today. Even tonight, again, holding on to 38 degrees. And watch these temperatures as we get into tonight. Again, all the way through the overnight hours, kind of bouncing around as some of that cloud cover pushes back in. I think we bottom out around those middle 30s. So any scare with that wintry precipitation doesn't look like it's there anymore as we get into this latest round of some rain now moving into our Saturday. Latest look at FUTURETRACK. Again, there's some moisture that we'll have to watch here in those temperatures early on in the morning. I think we can stay far enough away from those freezing marks here across the area. By 7 and 8 o'clock, though, that's where we're going to be expecting that rain to move in and start coming down pretty good here as we go all the way through the morning hours. We'll get you up to 11 o'clock, and really not a whole lot's changed in terms of that intensity. It's by this afternoon where we may push in maybe a brief period of some dry time as we get into the afternoon. I don't know that it's going to last forever, though, because that center of circulation is actually still going to be working its way through the area, so it can fire up a few more showers or even a few thunderstorms with this system. There's a lot of moisture and a lot of lift with it, so certainly could hear a few rumbles of thunder as we get throughout our Saturday. By Sunday, a lot of that is going to start to carry off toward the east. We may see some more moisture wrap around and see some flurries flying to close out the week, but again, most of this is going to be falling in that liquid form, and it may be falling pretty good here along I-70. Going to be looking at about an inch of rain north of there. Could even push up and beyond that 1 inch mark. By Sunday, again, I mentioned those flurries, maybe a few left over. Still doesn't look like it's going to be anything troublesome, but those blustery conditions certainly not helping matters. Here's a look at some of those wind chill values that we're going to be expecting into Sunday. By the about midday time frame, we're down into the teens and near 20 degrees, so it gives you kind of an idea of what to plan for here into this weekend. Not a great day either day to be outside and try to enjoy some of the elements out there, but by Monday into Tuesday, getting into Groundhog's Day, it looks like things at least trending in the right direction here in mid-Missouri. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Wednesday looks like it's going to be a transition day next week before we're tracking yet another storm system as we get into Thursday. That could be bringing us maybe a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow. We'll have to track that here as we get into the next couple of days.